Uh, Good evening, everybody. Welcome to this resume preparation session. My name is Abhikal Chauhan, and I'm an employee in 360DigiTMG. So today we are going to look for why we are going to need our tailor resume, understand the job description. Okay, then we are going to look for how we are going to identify the relevant skills and experiences in the job descriptions using how we are going to use the effective keywords in our resume and how we are going to customize your resume layout. Then we are also going to look for how we are going to make a tailor cover letter. Then final tips and practices. Okay, then. So why we are going to need a tailor resume? So the first and main purpose is it will going to enhance the visibility and the relevance in the front of the hiring manager or HR people, which we are going to say. Okay, so in the Taylor resume, we are going to highlight the skills and experiences according to the job that come according to job description or a company's culture, which they have described in their job description. Then, then whatever the Taylor resume you are going to build, it will going to increase the likelihood to be called of our interviews, call for the interviews, and it will also going to enhance the competitiveness in the particular job market. As you all know, the job market is very competitive, and each and every person want to get some good jobs in the particular company. So at that time, this tailor resume will become in handy to apply for the for specific job purpose. Okay. Then then we are going to use the understanding the job description. So key skill identification, first you have to look for what are the prioritizing the skills and experiences they are asking in the particular job description. Okay, what are the desired skills and qualification they were asking you have to look for in the job description. Okay, what are the language in the company the peoples are using, okay, which they have mentioned in the particular job description. Sometimes they mention. Okay. And whatever the job description they are giving to you, it will going to give you the insight. Okay. It will going to give you the insight. What are the questions they are going to ask in the interview? Okay. Then, then after looking for the job description, you have to match the relevant skills and experiences. Okay. Relevant skills and experiences, what you have in yourself, in your resume, and yeah, in your resume, which they have mentioned in the job description. Okay, whatever the achievement you have, okay, whatever the qualification achievement you have got in the previous job or the institution, you have to mention those things in your resume. Okay, what you have to always prioritize the content for the most experience first. Okay, the relevant the most recent experience you have to mention in your job description. Is it any kind of project or a previous job, whatever. Okay. And keep your resume updated regularly for whatever the new skills and achievement you are gathering or learning in the experiencing the role. Okay. Then you have to use the effective keywords to enhance your visibility of your resume. So you can use the exact keyword or the skills and technology they were asking in the particular job description. Okay. And whatever the job keywords you are encrypting in your resume, it should be encrypted naturally, not like you have inserted somewhere in a corner of the resume to fit for the job description. Okay. Then always use balance keyword because the ATS is the software which will going to shortlist your resume for the first filter. Okay, then those filter resume goes to the HR people, and this ATS software is going to shortlist your resume according or the basis of the particular job description they were uh, they were asking for. Okay. Then, whatever the resume you are making, choose the resume format in a chronological order or a functional format. Okay. Enhance the readability. Whatever the resume content you are writing, it should be clean and static typography. Okay. And the position critical information prominently, because whatever the information you are giving, it should be right, and it should not be uh, have any kind of mistake or spelling mistake, whatever the things you will do. Don't use those kind of mistakes. Don't do those kind of mistakes, and insert those information prominently. Okay. Incorporate the subtle graphics or color accents. Don't use high flashy colors or any kind of font of the text which hard for the human viewer to read. Okay. Then address the letter to a specific person if possible. Okay. When you are going to make a cover letter, give a personal touch and address to a specific person. Express your interest or the opportunity you are going to looking for in this particular job or company. Okay, what are the goals you are going to achieve or the objective you are going to achieve of your life during the company's goal? Okay, in the path of the company's goal. And proactive closure or whatever the things you have mentioned above, you have to give the closure of those action in the conclusion. Then after making your cover resume, tailored resume and the cover letter, ensure all the documents are free from errors. Okay, always seek a feedback from another person or the advisor on whom you think they can give you the best advice on your particular resume or cover letter. Ask their advice from them. Okay, and update your resume regularly, whatever the new skills and experiences you are getting involved, keep it posted there. Okay, engage in networking, build and maintain the professional connection. Okay, they are the few famous job portals are there, like Naukri.com, Shine.com, and Monsters.com, LinkedIn, which is the best for the people who are going to apply for the job. Okay, then these are the keyword you can use to insert in your resume for applying if you're making your resume for a data science role. Okay, these are the technical skills you can mention: regular expression, assembler method, deep learning, neural network. Okay, trend analysis, quantitative analysis, all those things. Okay, these are the some questions that interviewer going to may ask, like if we're going to ask you some kind of creative example. Okay, what do you worry about? How could you improve your career progress? Okay, how you going to feel to working in nights and weekends? Are you willing to relocate or travel? All those things it will going to ask. Okay, then this is for it our for today's resume session. You can contact her on this number, and also you can email us on inquiry@360DigiTMG.com. Our office in Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Chennai. You can also follow us on Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn. So for now, thank you. Have a nice day, and yeah, we will meet in next session.